Hey everyone, so this is this week's Money Quickie, which is all about, well, why do I need an accountant? I told you last week about why you would use a bookkeeper. So now an accountant. So don't they just all just look at my money paperwork? All right, so an accountant and a bookkeeper are very different things, very different levels of financial knowledge. So a bookkeeper will produce the profit and loss for you and make sure all your reports are accurate and up to date and exactly as they should be, and they all reconcile your bank accounts. An accountant will then interpret that profit and loss. Go, okay, so does it look like the business is sustainable? Where does it look like you're probably spending too much money? They can not just audit your business, but they audit it, but also review it and provide you with information and data back. So an accountant may not just be looking at, say, your profit and loss, but they may be looking at, okay, so what policies and procedures do you have in place to help support your business going forward? How do you have your employees? What do you pay them? Is all your superannuation correct? They're going deeper into that profit and loss. Bookkeeper will produce a profit and loss for you, and accountant goes deeper on all levels. They can review your entire business and look at all the structuring and go, okay, this is working, that's not. They can then take all of that and give it to the tax office. Alrighty. So, and if the tax office comes back, it's going to come back to your accountant and go, hey, we don't understand this. And that is the difference between the accountant auditing your business and the ATO auditing your business. Without an accountant, the ATO may be looking much closer at you because they know, well, hold on, there's been a step that's been missed. There's an understanding and authority over these figures, over this data that is missing. Alrighty, so an accountant is key. They will also look at things like not just your business, but if you have properties, if you have trusts, all those sorts of things. An accountant is looking at you and your complete financial picture. Bookkeeper is just looking at the books for your business. Okay? They want to make sure that all that data is correct. An accountant is looking at the big picture. That's working, that's not. I don't even know why you went down that road. And if they're a good accountant, they will say that to you. You need an accountant who's going to question some of the things you've done, because their whole purpose should be ensuring that your business goes forward and grows and that you go forward and grow. So they will look at your superannuation. They will look at your budgeting. They will look at your businesses. They will look at your investments. Okay, and they go, actually, this may need a tweak. I'm not quite sure what's happening here. Have you thought about this? I've just discovered this. By the way, the legislation at the ATO, that's changing. Okay, so we were doing this, but now we're going to do this instead. That is why you have an accountant. The amount of information they have in their head about all money, and they apply that in particular to your money, is essential. And again, I will have a document on how to pick a good accountant. And you really want someone who is very fact-based. You need them to be a little bit of heart, but a bit more direct. Okay, if you've got an accountant that's softening the blows, that may often mean there will be blows to be had. Alrighty? I tend to like people to be direct with me though. So your accountant should be able to give you a very clear picture and a very true picture of your entire financial situation. Alrighty? That's the difference between a bookkeeper and an accountant and why you have an accountant. Alright, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.